Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome again. How are you doing? Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adira, and today we're going to be talking on a very important topic: how to spot fake friends. You want to subscribe to this channel, believe me, just hit the subscription button down there. Hit it, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post any other video, and press on all. When you click the notification bell, you click on all so you can get all my videos, so let's get to this. So guys, on my WhatsApp status, everywhere, almost everywhere, people are always saying fake friend this, fake friend that, fake friend. Girl, honey, hello. Today I'll be telling you how to know them so you can cut them off and then live your life without posting fake friend this, fake friend that, fake friend. Now you will know them. Okay, first of all, fake friends, they'll talk about your secret whenever you have a fight. That's how to know a fake friend. Number one thing you have to spot about a fake friend: whenever you have a fight, something you've told her, like something you've confided in her, she will go and tell someone else. Like you tell her, look, I did da 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 da, or I'm scared of this, and then maybe you guys have a little clash, and she goes out and she's like, do you know she's doing this, and she's doing da 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 da, and you're like, I just told only her. So how did everybody know about this? Fake friend. So another way you will know a fake friend: they are not excited for you. For example, oh my god, I just won so cash, or I just got this, and she's like, oh really, congratulations. You're supposed to be like, really, you won a cash prize, oh my god, so we are going out celebrating, or you got this job, girl. She's supposed to be excited for you. That's what your friend's supposed to do. Your real friend is supposed to share in your joy. She's supposed to be so happy for you. She's supposed to be like, or another way you can know a fake friend: oh my god, I just got an iPhone, or I just got this car, and she's like, really, you got an iPhone, and she's like, I'm planning on getting my own iPhone too, and I'm going to get the black. I mean, the black is spotted or something. Or I got a car, and she's like, my dad is going to get me a car, or my mom wants to get me a car, or I just saved up to get a car. This is my celebration. You're supposed to be like, you got a car, come on girl, let's go celebrate with that car, yay! Like, she's supposed to be happy. She's supposed to be like jumping, oh my god, where's the key, let's go and see. Like, that's how she's supposed to react. Not like, my dad is also going to buy me a car. Are you competing with me? So now is the first and second position thing is who is better than who. Is that, or who is better than whom? I don't know the English, but is it call her, say bye, like, girl, bye, goodbye. We're not competing, we're supposed to be friends. Your friend is supposed to support you, and a fake friend would never support you. So let's say you started an online business, and you're selling clothes or shoes or bags or something, maybe undies, and your friend knows you're doing this, and then she goes over to another store or over to someone's shop or something to go and get the exact thing you have and you're selling, and she knows that yes, you deal on this. She's not your friend. She's a hater. She hates you. Like, she doesn't want you to prosper. That's what I see, and that's what you should see, and you should cut her off. Goodbye, girl, bye. Tell her no more friendship for the two of us. Just stay away from her. A fake friend will be friends with your enemies. There's this there are this set of friends that they're not your friends, but they're like a group or a clique. They don't like you. Like, they don't like you at all. They don't like seeing you, and they always talk dirt about you. Like, anytime you meet them, that there's always a clash. And she's friends with them, and they go out, they take selfies, they post on Instagram, and they're always talking. She's visiting them, all that, and she claims to be your friend when she knows that definitely those people talk dirt about you. They don't like you, like it's obvious, and she's hanging out with them all the time. I don't say she has to be, I'm not saying she should like stay away from people that she likes or something, but they don't like you, and definitely they will not be saying good things about you when they're together. And then you come and you're my friend, and then you go back and then you like peanut butter and bread with them. No, you're not my friend. No, cut her off, girl. Bye. Your friend shouldn't be throwing you under the bus. For example, there are this group of people you met, or there's this person, or maybe guys, or maybe you're in, like you're talking with some kind of, maybe your departmentals or some church people, or people you're not like close to, but you just met and you're like discussing with them, and she wants to be this good one, she wants to be this extraordinary person, and she's just saying dirt about you. For example, she'd be like, do you know she snores when she sleeps? Oh my god, she snores when she sleeps. Don't you snore when you sleep? So you're trying to say you're better than me now. So you're telling them the bad side of me. Or whenever she's angry, she can break somebody's head. Like, she has anger issues, she has this, she has that, and you're not even talking about this stuff, and she's just saying all those things about you. So they'll be looking at you like, she's not your, you know what, just a fake friend will always call you when she's in need. Maybe she needs an emotional support or financial support, or maybe she's hungry, or maybe she's sick, or maybe she's broke, and now she's calling you. I need this, I need that. And when everything is good, she just run away. Your friend can come to you when she's in need, yeah, it's not bad. But when that is only the time she comes to you, then you need to say bye, move on, let her go. She's just binging on you emotionally. She doesn't like you. She's just seeing you as this she's a parasite. She's a parasite. You're the host. So we shall read. Say bye. And a fake friend will always not listen to you when you're having crisis. Let's say you have this issue and you're like telling her, see, I'm kind of broke, or I'm having this problem with this subject or something, and she's like, oh really, I have something to do now, I'll talk to you later. Or anytime you bring up something that is bothering you, she'll be like, and she'll just give one excuse. She's not your friend. But when it's time to eat, when it's your birthday, when it's a celebration, it's a wedding, when you have money, when you're enjoying, she's there, she's eating life, dragging chicken. Say no to her and push her away. Pick her like this, throw her away. She's not your friend. Cut her off. She's not a good person. She's not supposed to be in your life at all. Because if she's only there when you're celebrating, and she's not there when you're having this sad period, and she's not your friend, and she's only there when you're having this sad phase, she's still not your friend. She's fake. She's so fake. She's the original fake person. I know that is wrong, but that is how bad she is. Because she just wants to see you cry. She wants to see you in pain. She wants to see you in sorrow. And when you're now doing okay, she's like, she just disappears. Because she's not happy. She doesn't want to see you fine. She only wants to see you complaining. Oh my god. That's just what she wants to see. And just immediately. And another thing a fake friend would do, a fake friend these fake people are plenty, but you just have to cut them off. And sometimes you can be the fake person, or you can be the toxic person and you don't know. So now if you're hearing these things and you know that you're falling into one of them, or two of them, or three or four, change yourself, change your personality. And if you find out your friends are already trying to stay away from you because of these traits you don't know you have, go back and apologize. It wouldn't hurt to say sorry. Just go and say sorry. And yes, a fake friend will always hold grudges. Let's say you do something bad to her and you apologize and she's like, it's fine. And maybe one day you're talking about something, she's like, you that is talking, did you do that to me? You're my friend. Forgive and forget. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. That's why we're friends. So you have to let it go. I've said sorry and I mean it and I've changed. So you have to see that and you have to forgive me and don't hold it against me in every single thing. Like, just stay away from that person. If a friend is behaving that way, just stay away. She's not your friend. She's not your friend. Just stay away. And it's not when you make this mistake and you say sorry, you keep making that same mistake and then expect her to be accepting the sorry every single time. So you should know. Don't be the fake friend. Okay. And a fake friend, you meet this friend that you're like, I hate this shorty, I hate this girl, like she's so, look at her shoe, look at her hair, oh my god. And she's like, you know this, wait, you know this, like that girl, like, and so you're not friends because you hate one shorty. She's not your friend. You're just this gossip buddy or hate buddy. She's not your friend. So don't go and now keep her as your friend, tell her stuff, because she's not one. She's gonna leave. And if you notice someone that is always coming to your life and asking for information, so who are you dating now? Are you engaged? You have a job now? What was your grade? After exam, what did you write? What did you get? What's your score? What's your GPA? What's this? What's that? This is it true that your family? Is it true that you're this? Is it true? Is it? She's not your friend though. That's monetary spirit. She just wants to be getting information about you and probably be gossiping with your name somewhere else. She's not your friend. Your friend is not supposed to be only asking, what's this? What's she only wants to know things about you, and after knowing, she will just pion. She's gone. She has disappeared. She's no more there. She's not your friend. She just wants to be getting information about you. She's not your friend. So beware of those kind of people. Yeah. And someone that comes into your life and she's only there whenever she wants to ask you for something. Please, can you send me a recharge card now? I'm kind of in this situation and I need can I come to your house and I need to eat because I'm kind of broke, I'm still expecting money. Or can I this can you help me with that? Do you remember that person you said that you know that has the connection to this? That's only what she's calling you for. She cannot call you and say how are you doing, or at least chat you up on WhatsApp. Or yeah, most people don't like calling, but at least chat you up. It doesn't kill to chat. Post your picture one time or 2 times or something. She only needs you when she has this problem. She's not your friend. She's also a parasite. Say no. She's eating off you. And you have a friend that whenever you're sad or whenever you're crying, she's there. Oh, is this bad thing happened to you? Oh God, I'm so sorry. Oh, God, this stuff will never happen to me. God forbid. Oh, I'm sorry, dear. This. And that bad thing will happen. She'll be the first to come. She just wants to see you in sorrow. She just wants to see you cry. She doesn't want you to progress. She wants you to be a bag of tears. She wants you to be raining tears. She's not your friend. Say goodbye to that person. Don't just say goodbye. Cut her off. Rip her off. Throw her away. Burn everything you have for her that is friendship. Because that person is not your friend. She only wants to see you in sorrow. She only wants to see you complain. She's not your friend. Or she's only there when you have this good thing. Just, you know them. Just keep them away from you. They don't like you. And all those friends that spread rumors about you, they say shit about you, they say things that are not real about you, probably to make themselves look better, or probably to make maybe to steal the limelight. Your friends shouldn't always want what you want. I want this car, she wants this car. I want this phone, she wants this phone. I want this hair, she wants this hair. I want this, she wants that. She's not your friend. And a friend that knows probably you're wearing this outfit and you're outside and she's like, that I have this outfit too. Mine is so original, yours is not. Say the truth. How much did you buy it in front of people? How much did you buy it? Say the truth. This is 17,000 and your own is like 2K. That's fake. Or maybe you go say, I bought this thing, and she's like, this is fake. Oh, it's not original. You always buy fake things. That's where your money could reach people. Like, oh God. She's not your friend. Your friend is supposed to support whatever you're doing, even if it's fake. She shouldn't be like, hey, another fake one. No, she's supposed to, it's cute, it's beautiful. Even if she's going to tell you it's fake, maybe later, celebrate what you have first before she start bringing up the bad news about it being not good, not original. Spot them now and cut them out of your life. They are not your friends, or they only come to you when they're having this emotional problem. I don't want to talk much on these people, but now I think you've gotten a glimpse or a lot about them. So just cut them off. If you have a friend like that, say girl bye. Honey, you have to say girl bye. If not, they'll destroy you. Yeah, they'll destroy you. You don't want to have a fake friend in your life. I don't want to make this video to be so long. I don't want it to be so long. So I know you like this video. Just don't be a fake friend. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, click on all so you can get all my videos when I post a new one, and leave your thoughts down at the comment section. If I see more things about these fake people, I'll be sure to tell you. Trust me. And remember, come back to this channel every time you need to know how to know this, how to know that, how, you know, just come back. Okay, that's it for today. I love you guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I know you will share and subscribe. So see you next time, and stay away from fake friends. Bye.